Right, so the problem we've got here is that there's no way to run a hello world problem in cLion. And if I go into my file and go to settings and go to build execution deployment, go into toolchains, you'll see there's no toolchains added. So what we want to do is we're going to go and get install a toolchain off the internet, and it's MinGW we're going to look for, and we're going to install that onto the machine. Okay, so I'll just minimize cLion just now. Now the best way to do this, I'm just going to go onto my browser. I'm just going to go to Google, so you can kind of follow the same path, and it's just going to be install cLion. Download cLion, quick start. So there you go, quick start cLion JetBrains. So there's loads of stuff in here that I need and don't need. You'll see that we've already done the installation of cLion. I think everyone's managed to get that working okay. I'm going to click and configure the IDE and then configure cLion on Windows. So the one I'm interested in is MinGW. There are other alternatives down here, but I'm only interested in this one at the moment. So it's this MinGW W64 installer. If you're not sure about what version of Windows you've got, what you can do is go to this PC, go to properties, and you'll see mine's got a 64-bit operating system. If yours says 32-bit, then you'll need to do the 32-bit installation here, which is that one, but I'm going to go with this one here. Okay, and go to installation, SourceForge, and you'll see it takes a few seconds to kick in, and you go for yes and start the installation process. It's like any other installation process, it's kind of slow. What we're looking for here, the default is the 32-bit machine, so if you've got a 64-bit machine, you want to choose this version here. If you've got a 32-bit, then choose i686. I'm going to choose this one here. Click on next, go for the default, click on next, and then go through the installation. Now I'm just going to cancel mine here. The reason I'm cancelling mine is because I've already got it installed. Okay, but it will go through and just takes a few minutes to go through the installation. Okay. At this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into cLion. Now, I'm going to close cLion and open it up again. Okay. So you'll see that Hello World comes up and it says toolchains not configured. I can't run anything up here. So what I'm going to do is go to File, I'm going to go to Settings, and I'm going to go to Build, Execution Deployment, Toolchains, and click on Plus. At this point you should see MinGW as an option. Click on that. And it should find it automatically at this point, so it detects it all. Click on Apply, and OK. And you'll see it goes through, finds it. Now you should be able to run your program, and Hello World appears down there. So that is the installation of the MinGW into cLion. Please do let me know if it works or if it doesn't work, crucially, so we can maybe look at a different solution. But it's simple enough, it's just a wee bit of patience on the download, and it should run okay.